Welcome back to another makeup lesson. Today I'm going to show you how I created this awesome night out on the town look. So let's go ahead and get started. The palette that we're using today is Jeffree Star, and it's the Blue Blood Eyeshadow Palette Edition. And we're going to apply that on our eyelid and make sure you're pressing it into the skin. And then after that, we're going to apply the shade Blue Blood onto our upper crease area. And just pat that in, pack that color all in that area. So next, what I do is I just use my concealer. I use any type of concealer, honestly. And I put it on the client's eyelid and I have them look up. And I use that line and create the cut crease with it. That's how high I know how to go up with it. Just makes it easier for me to know. So go ahead and apply that slowly but surely. Then we're going to go to the other eye, do the same thing. And just use that line when they looked up as a guideline. When you have that concealer applied, then you're going to just take your blending brush and start blending it out on the edges and around the top. Make sure you don't mess it up, because if you do, then you got a problem and you're going to have to go back in there and redo some stuff. So just be careful. We're going to go back in with the shade Blue Monday and apply it in our outer crease area and blend that into our lid, into our inner lid. I wouldn't go past the middle part though, it's just my preference. Next, we're going to use my favorite palette called the Color Box, and we're going to use the shade Magenta and use our flat eyeshadow brush and apply that to our eyelid, the whole crease area that we created. And just go slow when you're doing this as well, so you don't have a lot of fallout and stuff. And then I'm going back in with the blending brush and blending those two shades together. So at this point, you should definitely be feeling yourself because you've completed the eyeshadow look. These are the finishing products. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave feedback too. Tell me what you want to see next time. Tell me what you would like to see more colors. Okay, I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.